Hi guys! So this is just an introduction of my YouTube channel. Since I haven't done it in a long time and I haven't really done a real introduction to my YouTube channel. And this is just introducing all the dogs, and my horses are boarded, so I'll probably show them another time, but this is Leela. She is a 3-year-old English pointer. Hi! She's a big girl. Leela! Sit! Speak! Leela! Speak! Speak! Louder! Give me a paw! Good girl! Good girl, Leela! Good girl! This is Night. Okay, it's time to hush now. This one is little Night. He's a sweetheart. He loves people. He loves to be on the camera. This is little Bandit. They are brothers. They are both long-haired Chihuahua Pekingese. And they are about 5. They're turning 5 on November 15th. So, yeah. And then there's one more. And this is Molly. She's about a 6-year-old English pointer. And she's actually Leela's aunt. This is Molly. She's lazy, give me a. She's a diva, that's for sure. She is definitely spoiled rotten. She's kind of a little naughty, little diva brat. Yeah. But yeah, that's Molly. She's about 6. And there's Leela! Boys. So, I'll just show you a few of Leela's tricks. See, this just shows how spoiled the dogs are. This whole area is theirs. Hang on, I'm going to set you right there real quick. That's where I grab some treats. See if I can get them. Well, I know I could get Leela to do stuff. Sit. Speak. Paw. Good girl. It's a treat. Take it nice. Take it nice. Good, nice. Now let's see if we can get Knight to do some of his tricks. Nighter, you want to do some tricks for a treat? Yeah? No, hey. Not being a thief. Yeah. Talking to you. I'm talking to you. Hey. What? Booch. Go on. She gets a bit excited. Come here, Knight. Not you. Come here, Knight. Hey. Come here, Knight. See, Leela knows. She's not dumb. She acts like it. Come on. Come. Spin. Spin again. Good boy. Sit. Speak. Knight. Good boy. Bandit, you want to try? Put him up. Put him up, Bandit. Bandit, put him up. Put him up. Good boy. He's standing up on his hind legs fast. Now Leela will have the rest. Want this? Yeah? You want this? Yeah. 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 Yeah? Jump! She broke it in half. Are you done? Did you even eat it? You didn't eat it. You left it on the blankie. Your brother's eating it. Ready? Sit. Sit. Good girl. Ready? See if we can get paw. 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 Good girl, Leela. Want a treat? Take it nice. Good girl. So that's all my dogs and all their tricks and all that. We'll go give Molly a treat just for the fun of it. But yeah, I don't know when I'm going to upload this, but I will eventually. Want a treat? Here, Diva. She stays in the bedroom. She's spoiled. She likes to sleep in there all day. Move over, Leela. Move over. Move over.